humiliated by that Saiyan ape.
Your Majesty? It seems planet Namek has been completely destroyed. No one could have survived, not even your...
Might Frieza have met his doom? My clan is feared throughout the universe. What fool dares challenge our supremacy? I will afford him the honor of dying by the hand of King Cold himself! Majesty, look! Bring him aboard now, or I'll send the lot of you cretins to join him! Lord Frieza.
Father, we're going to Earth right now. The Super Saiyan must die.